Okay, can you hear me? Thumbs up, please. If you can hear me. Thumbs up. Oh, it's raining so hard today. Remember, give me those thumbs up if you can hear me. Thumbsy, thumbsy up, thumbsy up, thumbsy up, thumbsy up. I want to see a thumbs up. Come, where's my thumbs up? Where is it? No thumbs up, no thumbs up. Okay, well, no problem. I'll just keep talking to myself then. I'm not seeing a thumb up. I want thumbs up, guys. Music is too loud. The freaking music was running again while I was talking. No, guys, I'm just fucking around. I know it was running. I knew it was running. I knew it was running. Okay, guys, wait a minute. I'm gonna let the music run for like 10 seconds. I'll be back with you. I'm gonna repost my Twitter post that we're live. Okay, the music is off. The music is off. Check. Thumbs up that you can hear me. Check. Or no check. Is there a check? No check. There's no check. Check, check, no check. No thumbs up. Thumbs up that you can hear me. Okay, check. Crypto, thank you very much. So now we got check. Now what we're gonna do, every live stream, we're gonna do check, check, check. Because a lot of people became very angry. A lot of DMs when I told them I'm gonna stop the music. What the creep are you doing? Our kids are dancing on that freaking music every time we put on your live stream. So how are you going to stop the music? Well, you know me, I'm very sensitive. It's about kids. So no, music keeps running. And I promise you guys that I will not swear. I will not swear, especially if there are kids around. So I will not swear. So no swearing. And the music keeps going on and on. But what we're gonna do, before I start talking, I just need check, 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 check. So every time I need a check. So if there is no check, I will not talk. So, okay, so that's about that. And kids, don't smoke. Smoking is very, very bad. Very, very bad for your health. So don't smoke. Don't smoke. But I need to smoke because otherwise my brains will get on tilt or whatever. So let me see, what do I got? What do I got over here? Gracias, YouTube, Ivan, Mario, Juke the Cosmo, Coco, Flakes. I cannot call you all. Zoo Park, I'm just scrolling here. Trojan, Owen, ZK, Bell, Karen, what do I got over here? Alpiman, Blades, Naweek. Yes, so I'm just scrolling. Muhammad Ali when I'm travel. I'm just scrolling through. Double check, check, check. Bro, stop smoking. We need you. Yes, I know. But, you know, we're gonna die either way. So, if it's not on smoking, it's on something else. So, guys, because of this messed up music thing and whatever, I decided to do next one, another live today. But I have to tell you, to be honest, why I did this live. I did this live because, you know, I didn't know that the inflation numbers were going to come out today. I missed it. And I'm, you know, it didn't change anything, but I missed it. I just, what? Inflation numbers? You know, it's incredible that I missed it. I was so focused on other things. I missed the fact that the inflation numbers were coming out. So, That's what I talk about. So inflation numbers came out, bullish, super bullish. This was really super bullish. So what happened after we had this dump, and 750 billion was wiped out of the markets, and then a lot of people, oh my god, and then whoop, bump it up again. And what did Bitcoin do at that same time? Whoop, it's just the same. It's so, you know, for all those haters that has been hating me for years, telling me that Wall Street is not ruling the Bitcoin price, well, a big middle finger to you guys. So that's about that. So what we're seeing now is, we're seeing this now. It closed also, because look at this. The indicator down, and then I told the team, wait a minute, close those damn shorts. They want to close it above it. And over here is where they close it above it, over here. It's also where the team closed their shorts, by the way. So, and then boom, we had this one. So what's going on? So there's a lot of flushing going on right now. So they're just liquidating people up, down, up, down, up, down. On the market, nothing changed for me, to be honest. We're still just at the at the resistance level over here, just like pointed out. So for me, nothing happened, but I'm liking these moves. I like them a lot. Go down and then up, down and then up. And you know, this is when traders make the most money. So that's also what's happening right now. Traders are making the most money. I had a sneak preview today on those freaks of the team, because they think that they can do whatever. So, and I'm seeing them. They started their group, and they're very happy about it. And I watched it, and I thought, I don't know if I agree on that one. But let me just tell you on this one. So, U.S. funds trumping, you know. But guys, we have to remember that Wall Street is autistic. So it doesn't matter if something is bullish, if something is bearish. They like to pre-pump Powell. That's just what they do. But just like I explained today, this time it's different. It's different because most of the times when we went into Powell, what happened is he was either going to raise rates or he was going to leave them just how they were. This time it's different. We can almost know for sure that he's going to lower the interest rate. He's gonna cut the rates. So doesn't have to be, because everything is possible. Maybe he'll not do nothing. Maybe he'll say, well, I'm not going to do nothing. But I have to say that 2.5, that's about the biggest joke that I've seen this year. 2.5. 2.5. I don't know. Maybe in Wall Street world it's 2.5. In the humans that are living all over the world, are doing groceries every day, paying bills every day, doing whatever, inflation 2.5, everything has tripled, doubled. It's 4 times, 5 times the price that we used to have like only 3-4 years ago. So they really have to explain me that 2.5% inflation. I really have no clue what is going on over there. And, we have to stop watching that data also, because, they're just thinking that we are all fools and they just do whatever they want. Well, that's okay. Let me see Bitcoin. Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin, guys, we have this resistance level. But this 4 hour, this is bullish, guys. This is bullish. I'm just saying. This 4 hour candle that closed, this candle, let me show you for the ones that don't know. This candle, this is a bullish candle that you're seeing over here. But it's just following the markets. So how is that candle? Are we analyzing that candle? Is it right to analyze it? No. Because why? Because we're just doing what Wall Street is doing. And Wall Street is getting rejected over here. Rejected. It's trying to break up on the indicator over here, some resistance over here. So guys, these levels from now to the 530 points, this is a very, very important, this one over here, guys. If they can, this will be the battlefield. This is the battlefield for the bulls at Wall Street. So this is the battlefield. So if they cannot manage to reclaim above the 5,500, it's going to be bloody. It's going down. But this would be against what happened the past 20 months, almost 2 years. So the past 2 years, what we saw is you got something like this and a whoop, and then you got something like that whoop. This is what we saw the past 2 years when Powell was in play. But Powell, let me scroll a bit this way. You see something like this, now boom, and then boom, until Powell comes in. That's what we saw the past 2 years. But now, I told you it's different this time. It's just different this time, guys. And you know, it's a bit scary, to be honest, because now I cannot rely on my macro. Now, while it's scary, I have to rely on my indicator. My indicator is my best friend now, because I cannot rely on my macro now, because now it's really, my macro is telling me this. It's different this time. We're going into a rate cut, and we're not going into a rate, sorry, what I'm saying? Yes, we're going into a rate cut and not into a raise of the rate. So this is something to keep in mind, because this stuff, I have to, the indicator is law now. Okay, let me make something like this. Let me make something like this, because I'm not even gonna chart this scammy wick down and up. So this is it, guys. This is it. This is what I'm eyeing now. This level over here that I pointed out. This is, so for us crypto traders, this is the one that we have to watch. If it gets over here, pop, 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 pop. If it gets rejected, and maybe something like this, then up. This is bullish, guys. We're gonna open up longs. We're going long. But if this thing is gonna get rejected over here, boom, more blood, more blood, more blood. Okay, guys. First of all, this was just a quick update on this one. And for now, normally I would tell you, guys, we're going up or we're going down. Normally I would tell you, but it's different this time. And you know, I'm just that guy. When I don't know it, I just don't. That's just how it is. I just have no clue what these freaks are doing over here. So let me see the VIX. VIX is also looking like it's gonna get rejected from the indicator, also coming back. So this might give the bull some more power over here. This might give the bull some more power. Let me check something else. What are these guys doing? So they're also heading into resistance. And what is this guy doing? You see, oh, wait a minute. Let me close this one. It makes noise. Oh, this is okay. This is weird. This is weird. The DXY is also ramping up, guys. This is very weird. The DXY is going together with this one. What's going on? You see, they're pushing. I know, they're pushing up. They're liquidating all the shorts that have been opened over here. They're liquidating them. So it's if they break above this, guys, the next level is the 5,500. This is the level to watch. So they're pushing now. Wall Street is pushing like crazy. And you know, guys, these are the biggest bulls in the world. So maybe, I just don't know. So for now, it's just this indicator. I have to check this indicator. For now, I'm going to check this indicator because I just don't know it. I have to rely on my indicator. My indicator always exposes what wheels are doing. So this is the level to watch, guys. The level is 5,500. If we'll reach there, if you're in any longs, time to take some money off the table. Okay, I wanted to explain you guys something very important. I want to teach all of you guys in the world this. This is, normally I would do this. I made a trading course video about this, but I want to show you guys this. Something very important. I want to show you guys this. Let me take this clean chart. I want to talk about something. I want to teach you guys something. Why not? Why not? Let me teach you guys something. What am I going to teach you? I'm going to teach you how you can make money. So that's what I'm going to teach you guys now. How you're going to make money. Free money. So this is free money. I'm going to teach you guys how you're going to make free money. Free. You don't have to do nothing. Let's just say I'm no financial advisor, so it's a possibility to make free money. Let's just say it like that. What did I want to teach you guys? And this is a very, very important one. Suppose that you are in crypto, or you're an investor, or you're a leverage trader. I don't care. One of those. And suppose that you have money on your exchange. Let's just say you've got like 50K on an exchange. That's doing nothing. Sideline because you're afraid. A lot of retailers are afraid. They're afraid of the markets. They're just having their USDT ready to buy the blood. But what they do is they leave that money in USDT. They leave that money in USDT. So that's number one. Number two, there are even bigger suckers. What do? They go stake their USDT. Stake it, lend it, bend it, flend it, whatever. Also stupid. Okay, suppose that you have money. Let me just tell you this, guys. Let me just tell you this. I have a big bag of USDT ready on several exchanges. I'm just telling you what I do. On several exchanges. There are times when we are at tops, just like over here. This is when I cash a lot of USDT out. I flip it to gold, I flip it to euros, whatever. But when I see a correction and I see that we're reaching levels like these, when I see levels like these, this is when I start to get my USDT ready. Why am I going to make it ready? Because I know I'm going to get some free money. And now I'm going to show you guys what to do. So if you've got money on an exchange that's doing nothing, that's just over there because you're afraid, you're scared, you don't want to buy, because you think that Bitcoin is going down, and you're watching the live shows, the live streams of MW. So, well, wait a minute. No, what you do is this. I'm telling you, by the way, guys, what I'm going to explain you guys now is what I've been doing for like 3 cycles, and I made sick money on this. What I'm gonna show you guys now. Suppose that you have like 50K on your exchange. It's just sitting there. Never, ever let money sit in USDT while it's doing nothing. What you do is you always place buy orders. So if you've got money on Weex, if you've got money on OKX, if you've got money on Blofin, never, ever let that USDT just hang in there. Even if it would be, suppose that you were leverage trading and you close your position, you made some nice profits, and well, you're not planning to trade the next 2-3 days. So you don't need it. Don't leave it hanging in there. Never, ever do that. What you do is this. So suppose that money, you're not going to use it. You place those damn buy orders. So for example, just do this on strong altcoins or Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, especially these two. What you do is, suppose I've got like 50K. What I do is I do like 20 or 25K, 50%. I place buy orders around 40K. And now comes the trick. I even place buy orders at 35K. I just place those damn buy orders in. Because why? I've got nothing to lose. It's just my money. It's over there. It's doing nothing. And what happens is this, guys. I also place, by the way, buy orders at lower levels. 30K. Well, MW, that's never, ever going to happen. Who knows? What do you got to lose? You've got nothing to lose. What you've got to lose is, yes, if Bitcoin would go down to 10K in one line, and you open up your account, and then you'll be in a lot of losses. But let me tell you this. If you are a crypto investor and you think that Bitcoin is going to 10K or lower, well, maybe it's time that you get out of crypto. Just don't even let money over there. But we have to be realistic. There is the realistic thing is that Bitcoin, I think that 30K is the max that it could go down on this cycle. So, meaning, what happens a lot is we are at very dangerous times now. So suppose that we'll get a flash crash or get a crash in the markets. What happens is that spike up, spike down, spike up. So let me explain you guys. Suppose that something like this happens. We're going, and then whoop, and then something like this. Do you know how much money you're gonna make on these flash crashes? You're gonna make sick money, because 9 out of the 10 times when you see something like this happen, this will happen after. Well, maybe not that like this. This happens like 90% of the times. This is what happens. Maybe it gets to here and goes up. Maybe it gets to here and goes up. Either way, it goes up again. It goes up again. 90% of the times it goes up again. Just like this spike, by the way, this one over here. You see this? Boom, it came up immediately. Immediately. Are you seeing this? This candle, this weekly candle over here. So we came down, boom, up again. Do you know how much this is? Do you have any idea how much money this is? So suppose that my 30K was hit. 30K was hit. Let's just say 30K. 30K, 30% means that I made 10K. And I had to do nothing. The only thing what I did is I placed some buy orders. I had 30K over here, 30K over here, another 30K over here. For the ones that got big portfolios. So, meaning when you are trading, when you are investing, I don't care what you're doing. If you're leverage trading or you're spot trading, it takes you like 2-3 minutes. When you have money, it's just on the exchange. Before you close your app or your application, wherever you are, always put in those damn buy orders. And don't be that greedy. Don't be that greedy sucker. You're gonna place buy orders like 2% lower than the current price. No, that's not what you do. You have to, it has to be like 20% at least. 20% lower, and then you start putting in just put in those damn buy orders. What do you got to lose? If it happens, you've got a 90% chance that it does like this, and you're gonna make sick money. That's much more than all those APIs, staking, lending, vending, sending, bending. I don't care. So I hope you all get this one. I hope that you understand what I just explained to you guys. And you can do this, by the way, also on Ethereum. You can do this on big caps like I don't know. You see the US 500. I knew it. These freaks are breaking up. They're breaking up. So we're probably going to head this one. We've got the next level is 90. After 90, then it's the real resistance. So it's coming. So again, back to the charts. So I hope it's clear to everyone in this retail fam. If you are trading, you always, when you close your app, because you never know, you're going to sleep, you're going to bed, going to dream about, oh, I'm going to become rich in crypto. I'm going to make so much money in crypto. You're going to dream about it. And then at night, there is a big dump, boom, boom. And then you wake up, your portfolio, you went to sleep, it was 60K. And then you watch your phone. Oh my God, what is this? 80K. It's impossible. 20K? Where is that 30K? Well, your buy orders were hit. And we're now over there, 20K. And you know, let me just tell you this. If it happens, if this happens, if something like this happens, you always, the moment you wake up, you take the damn profits. And what you can do also, is you can, you can place an OCO. So you also place sell orders. But that's a bit of a lot of time to, well, whatever you want. But you know, I don't do it like that. I just place I don't even take the damn take profits. I don't even use them, the OCOs. I just, if this thing comes down, I wake up. And let me tell you, this happened like, what is it? Before these freaks on the spot ETFs came in, I hit this maybe like 40 times, 50 times, and all the times it were winners, 100% winners, all of them. I made money on them, a lot of money. Why? Because I'm not stupid. When I've got money on exchange, I'm gonna use that damn money on that exchange. Why? Why am I having money on the exchange? To do what? For the exchange to use it? No. I'm gonna put those damn buy orders in. And that's what I do. So when this happens, I'm gonna make a lot of money. And this might happen tomorrow, today, tonight, next week, next month. We just don't know. And you know, if it happens, suppose that if it happens, and something like this happens, it's lagging over here, you wake up, it doesn't matter, 5%, 4%, 6%, 10%, it doesn't matter. Just take the damn money. Take the damn money and then go analyze the markets again. So this was about that, and I hope that every one of you guys understood what I just said, because you can make really sick money on this, guys. You can, this is free money. I call it free money. It's just free money. And you can do this on, by the way, don't do this on shit coins. Don't do this on shit coins. You do this only on really big cap coins. So maybe a VeChain, maybe a Near, maybe a Chainlink. You can do this on Solana. You can do this on the big caps. You do this and just do it at least 20%. So 20, 30, 40% lower, especially on altcoins. Altcoins, you can go like, you know, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, you do like 20, 30, 40. On altcoins, you have to do it like 30, 50, 70. That's how you do it on altcoins. 30, but you know, my advice is if you've got a decent portfolio, money, just go with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Just don't just go with the big ones. Go with the big ones. So I hope that this lesson, and I really hope that, you know, just wait for it. Wait for it. And there will come a day, maybe very soon, that you will get hit and you wake up and you see that bounce, or maybe you're awake, you see that bounce, and then you'll tell yourself that freaking MW, he's doing it again and again, and he was right again. I had my money over there, I put in those damn buy orders, and boom, I made like 15, 20%, 30% out of nothing. When it happens, DM me, please. Remind me. Okay, so that was about that. Let me go to this one, Velo. What is this? What is going on, Velo? Velo, my friend Velo, what's going on, my brother? What's going on? So this is probably, let me just say it how it is. This was probably some shilling machine doing its thing. And this was when the team cashed out. It's just the ones that paid the shilling machine over here. Well, they had to get, because they paid the guys that were shilling it over here. So they cashed out and took their money, investment, and their profits out. So, but this was the nasty dump. Nasty, very nasty, really nasty dump. So let me see, what is Bitcoin doing? What is Bitcoin doing? What is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is now, guys, it's just a matter of time. Listen, we don't know how much more Bitcoin is going to dump. But we have to be, so I think there will be a lot of chopping around. So it will be a lot of like this, a little bit up, like it's breaking out and down again. I think that we got some sideways until the 20th. And the 20th, we're going to look for what's going to happen with those Bitcoin bulls. So that's what I'm eyeing now. The shorts were closed. Team is eyeing to go into another shorts. They already started to open the short. I think they closed it. They closed two shorts. They got hit on one. They've got hit on one and closed it in a profit. It really depends on this freak. So if this freak gets over here, this is the danger zone over here. So first on 90 and then 5,500. I think I got some rejection. But these guys, you know, guys, it's different this time. So I cannot. Normally, I would say just like this. I would normally, the past 20 months, I would just tell you guys, where you go, this is what's going to happen. And, you know, I've been right for 20 months in a row. Because that's what these autistic creeps, it's just what they do. So it was just basically free money also, past 2 years. But now it's different. Now it's different. Because why is it different? Because there is no bearish sentiment. There is only a bullish sentiment. And the bullish sentiment is telling us we need to go up now. So that's why you have to be cautious. That's when you have to be afraid. So that's about that. Let me go to my green. I'm gonna do my green, and then I'm gonna talk about some Q&A. So if you've got some questions, I'm gonna answer some questions today. So no altcoins, or maybe a question about an altcoin, but I'm gonna do some questions. So yeah, it's a Q&A today. So just if you've got any question, ask me and I will answer you. It doesn't matter if it's about the markets, it's about the DXY, about Bitcoin, about crypto, about some altcoin. If it's about the free private group, about the indicator, you can ask me any question you want. So I'm all ears. Look at this. Look at this. Yes, the Bitcoin longs are doing. I go. Oh my god. My phone is going up. Let me go. Okay. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So listen, they're doing it again. This was just a fakey this. So the longs are going. We're going as scheduled. So it's just going as scheduled. So I'm going to give you guys 10 seconds. You can ask me any question you want. I will try to answer them all. So yeah, 10 seconds. I'll do my thing and then we'll come back again. Kabish! Okay, music. Okay, thank you. What do I got over here? What do I got? Winner token unlock soon. Okay, I missed that. I didn't see that one, to be honest. The X on the daily looks like hitting resistance on the 102 and continuing on its way down. I don't think so. I'm not seeing any resistance over here. Where is the resistance? Where? You mean this one over here? Nah, I'm seeing the DXY hitting this one. I don't know. Is it on the daily that you're seeing resistance? Yeah, over here. Yeah, the 102. Oh, the 102 it's the same. Yes, we're saying the same. Yes, so over here. But it's looking, it's going up while the markets also are ramping up. So that's great. Let's see. On what time frames? Look at the Indie. Very simple, guys. Indie is very simple. 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Daily, 12 hours. But the most important ones are the daily, the weekly, also for the macro, the 4 hour and the 1 hour, and the 50 minutes, 5 minutes if you're trading very low time frame. So that's it. Blue Rocket, this is a very important one. Guys, this is one very good question. Is there any scenario where crypto will run if stock markets enter a bear market? In other words, do you see the scenario? Let me tell you, Blue Rocket, I don't believe in a bear market on the stocks. I don't believe in that. You know why? I'm too old for that crap to believe in. And you know, there's only one way that we get into a big bear market on the stocks. That's when really something in the world happens, and well, we don't care about the markets anymore. It's that bad. So what I'm trying to tell you over here is this. So for sure, the markets, they could come down, but if they come down, how much? They dump maybe 30%, 40%. And then and when that 30-40% happens, it will happen very fast. It will happen very fast. So when it happens very fast, we might get a second dump, but not more than that. So at some point, so actually, if you are a crypto investor and you're a crypto trader and you believe in crypto, please start praying that this thing will crash down at 30, 40, 50, 60, 70%. Because when those dumps, I'm going to show you, look at these dumps. They go very fast over here. Let me go to this was the Corona crash. You see this? This was just boom, boom, boom. These were 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. That's all. 4 weeks. and then and over here the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles, boom down, another one, boom down, and then a hold sideways, and then up again. So if it's gonna happen, if it drops like 20, 30, 40%, it's for me just a buying opportunity, because there's only one thing that could stop the US 500 from rising, and that's, in my opinion, when we will not care about money or markets anymore. We will only care about surviving. So that's how I see it. So I keep repeating myself. If you really want to be bullish about crypto and long-term investment for the 20x's, 30x's, 50x's, 100x's, 1000x's, start praying that this thing will dump down at least to the 200 EMA over here, at least to these levels. Well, how much is this? This is nothing, by the way. This is 20%, but this 20% could be a very, very good buying opportunity, by the way. Let me put it on a monthly so we can see another one. You see it comes together with this freak over here. So yes, so only a 20% dump is a very, very good buying opportunity on crypto. Very, very. And I think, let me just, I'm going to say it like it is now, guys. Listen to me good. And maybe you got this, what I'm going to say now is maybe they're going to record it and then you're going to remind me. When this happens, if this happens, when this happens, so something like boom, and then we go do like boom, this is when you'll be financially independent. This is it. So you don't even have to watch your creepy altcoin, you watch your Bitcoin or whatever. So if this happens, this is where you'll be financially independent. And the lower it goes, the better. So even if it goes like this, it will come up again. It will come up again. So this is something, I'm too old for this to believe that stocks, that they go down. I don't believe this. So this will happen. And guys, when this happens, this is when you were talking about financially independent. It's at these levels if they will get hit. If they will not get hit these levels and we're just traveling like this, I don't think that anyone will become financially independent on spot backs and holding altcoins or holding Bitcoin or Ethereum. I don't care what altcoin you're holding. It's just the truth. It's just the truth. I'm not going to lie to you. You can get rich if you're leverage trading and trading every day and going high risk with high volume. That's okay. Then you can make life-changing money. But you can also get very poor if you don't know how to do it. So this is the only possibility. So, okay, that's about that. Let me see. Karen, about the risk management. Yeah, it's too much to explain in this stream. It's something for the free private group. Don't forget the music. You gave me a trauma. I thought it was on. It's off. It's off. Why so quiet? DV, bro, it's not Blofin that's gonna give you my indicator. My indicator, when you trade on Blofin, you DM me on X your UID number. When I see that you're trading on Blofin, I will send you the indicator, not Blofin. About the it's time for is it possible to post at least one chart daily in private? No, bro, no. I will, in the free private group, what I do is I post when I see something that it's almost impossible to lose money on. So that's what I do. And if I see that, I see that. If I don't see it, I will not share it. It's just that simple. All the free private group members, trading course vids, you're all educated how to trade. Especially if you're following me for a while, you know how to trade. You know how to trade the indie. I've got the support levels or resistance levels. If you want a short, if you want a long. But, I will only share something when I think to myself, free money again. That's when I share it. And it could be like 10 of those things in one day. It could be maybe 3 in a week or 2 in a week. So, okay, I only have a small amount of relevance and starting. How can we... Oh, Obluda. Obluda is very simple, bro. That's range trading. When volatility hits in, I didn't know that those inflation numbers were coming out. Otherwise, I would prepare you guys for it. I didn't know it. But that's range trading. There's a Obluda, you are in the free private, I think. So go watch the vid of range trading. Let's see. Yeah, Atomic, this CoinGlass BTC liquidation heat map for targets. No, that's just a lot of crap. You know, what is the... You know, I see a lot of those guys, they're using these heat maps. Oh, there are a lot of sellers over here. There's a lot of liquidity over here. They're making a lot of money. Well, they're making a lot of crap. Because why? How can you rely on heat maps that could change every minute? Because if I would put in, you've got these heat maps, and then it's all red over here, and over here you've got some green, and those heat maps, they look very, it's like some NASA project or whatever, and you've got over here some lines, and then over here some lines, and then, well, over here, guys, over here there are sellers, over here there are buyers. Suppose that I am the one over here that wants to sell like $10 billion. And when the price reaches over here, I just remove my order. Ta-da! You are in a short, and I remove my order, and the price goes up, and you are wrecked. So really, these heat maps, beat maps, I have nothing with these things. It's for show, you know. There are some influencers, there are some people, they like to get some engagement. Listen, guys, come join us. Why? Because we are trading heat maps. Heat maps is, by the way, I've got the premium on TradingView, and they offer these heat maps for free, so I can just get them on my charts. I can also share a chart with heat map. Listen, this is heat map. Listen, over here there's like 3 billion. Over there there's 5 billion. Over there there's what the crap. Keep it real, guys. Keep it real. Keep it real. There's a market calling for blow off top line and crash to 18. Yeah, you know, I don't believe that. Trouble, you know, nobody is more bearish about the markets than me. Nobody in the world. I'm very, very super bearish about the markets. But what I know about the markets, and I've been saying this forever, markets have the biggest bulls in the world. So these guys, they just don't care about money. What they do is, it's very simple. When a crash happens, they buy in. When a crash happens, they buy in. When a crash happens, they buy in. And we will do the same. That's simple. Okay, showing. Okay, no questions about the free private, please, in this live chat. You can DM me on TG if you've got some questions about the free private. Well, it would be good to have you to. Well, Ants, it would be very good if you got my indicator to trade. It will. It's like you have to see it like this. It's like 50% of your TA. 50%. So 50% of your TA is the indicator, or maybe even more. So it's really. What amount of volume required to access free private? 100K. It has been shared like 1,000 times. And 100K, guys, is not a lot. It's almost nothing. 100K trading volume. People think when I say 100K trading volume, they think that they need to put in 100K. No, that's not how. If you just open up a small position, normal position on whatever altcoin or Bitcoin, you'll be in that 100K in no time. If you're trading with pennies, then it will be a bit hard. But 100K is nothing. I also thought heat map is it's not about manipulate. It's just for show. It's just for show. How do I add the indicator TV on Weex? That's something also for the free private. Is because people like that. Okay. Let me see. Good entry for long on Popcat. I don't know. I didn't watch Popcat. What is Popcat doing, by the way? Is it going to give us some more free money again? What is Popcat? Let us go to Popcat, our favorite. Where is our Popcat? Meme coins. Let me go meme coins. Let's go meme coins. Popcat. No, bro. This, no. No. Popcat, you know. Popcat was over here and was over here. This was an entry. This was an entry. I'm not saying that Popcat cannot dump more. Popcat can dump more. But I'm, you know, you know, to be the best of the best, you have to trade without losing trades. That's just how it is. You cannot be the best of the best if you lose trades. Because I know a lot of traders that make a lot of money trading. I know a lot of them make a lot of money trading, but they lose also a lot of money. So just saying, if you want to prove to me that you are a real good trader, you have to be not losing any trades. And for me, Popcat at this levels over here, this is no. Because we've got this support line over here. You see this one from above coming down. This was a support, it's holding. And Popcat for me, no. It's definitely no short over here, definitely. You know, guys, also for the free private group members, when I share a trade, you have to know that I'm almost 100% sure that I'm going to win that trade. Otherwise, I'm not going to take it. You know, the team is the other style. If you want volatility, like 10, 20 trades a day, maybe 5 a day, I don't know. But, you know, if you want really the risky trades and, you know, no problem, I just go in. If it hits my SL, then I'm out. I take a small loss and I keep catching those trades and making money and trading all day long. And you've got nothing else to do in your life. Well, then maybe the team's group is maybe the best group in the world for you. I don't think there is any better group for trading, active trading than the team. I really don't. These guys, they trade like 70-80% on my level. So there ain't no better group than that one. But that's when you really want to trade, keep trading all day long and making a lot of money. That's not my style. What I do is I educate you to make trades your own, and I share when I see a good trade. That's how it works. That's how it works. Okay, thanks. Let's see. Cash more finding some good long. Yes. I will talk about some of those. Okay, guys. Hey, I want to thank you. I hope that I made it up for the music disturbing in the live stream earlier today. So let me quick see. Oh my God. Oh, we already reached it. Oh my God, these bulls are. Listen, these Wall Street bulls. Oh my God, these guys, it's really something. Look at this. We arrived. So now it's going to be tricky. So now the next 20 points. Be careful with your longs. Let me just say, be careful with your longs. Let me look at Bitcoin while we're here anyway, before closing it up. We're reaching the nice bounce. But I told you before, you remember? When we started this stream, what did I say? I told you this freaking candle over here is super bullish. And you know, the price was over here when I said that. No? Yeah, it was over here when I said that. This candle is super bullish. And well, when MB says, you know, you have to be really, when I say bullish and I say that the team closed their shorts, then you'll probably see something like this happen. It's sick. Because this is, by the way, guys, this is super bullish. This is really super bullish. This is so bullish. So now we're reaching the levels. So we're reaching the levels over here. And we're reaching also the levels over here. So this block over here. So when this happens, that's when you have to be cautious. And if you're on any long, congrats and make some money. Thank you all for watching. I hope I made it up. For the ones that want to join the free private, there are links below. Blofin, Weex, OKX, trade on them. Send me a UID on X. DM it to me. I love you all. Thanks for joining in. And the volatility is increasing and I just didn't know it. I didn't know it in the live stream in the morning. So I hope I made it up with this live stream. Tomorrow again, and tomorrow we're going to talk about altcoins. Only about altcoins. Buy zones, when we're going to buy, how we're going to buy, or maybe it's short season. I really don't know. Tomorrow we know. Thanks all. Push on the like while you leave this stream. It's just a like. Just push that button. What do you got to lose? Nothing. Thank you guys and bye-bye.